Hi everyone, good evening. My name is Anushree. I am studying 9th class at Sripada English Medium High School. This is the place where metals, non-metals and metalloids react with each other. Welcome to Elemental Extravaganza. Mummy, you know that girl is fighting with me. She telling that is the greatest element.
Oh, is it so? Come, hey girl, come out.
What made rock is it?
Your daughter is quarreling with my daughter on who is better.
Why you guys are fighting? It's not so toxic.
Sulfur, we are non-metallic or the greatest, right?
Yes, of course.
Good job, but you guys are everywhere from the bottom of the living organisms to the structures they create.
Ha ha ha, bad joke. You guys are everywhere. Both living organisms need us to live.
We are the greatest. We are the greatest. We are the greatest.
I am silicon. You are silicon. A non-metal gablets to fight against those metals.
No, you are a metal. Come on, join with us.
No, I am neither a metal nor a non-metal. I have the properties of both metals and non-metals. I am a metalloid. So I declare myself as a king of land of elements.
Wait, what? This can't happen. Our Prince William, I will take to you. And you are the great of land of elements?
So you are different, right? Come on, let's fight and see who is stronger. Why is she not reacting? Does not act to anyone.
Is it so?
Are you dumb? She is a noble girl. She does not react with anybody.
I know, you don't even know and you want to become a king?
So what if it does not react with anyone? I am the strongest of all, so I need to be the king.
I will be the king.
I am the most important. I will be the king.
I will be the king. I will be the king. I will be the king.
What's the matter?
No, there is no time to talk. I am the strongest and I need to be the king.
What? That cannot happen.
Let's fight whoever will be the king.
We are metals. We are ready to fight.
So what are we waiting for?
Is it so? Then I will call my army of metalloids. Let us fight a war and see.
So what are we waiting for?
Hey, please don't fight. Maybe all our physical and chemical properties are different. All are important. No one is superior and inferior, right? We are all belonging to the same family, that the family of chemistry.
What you are saying is right, but that cannot stop me from becoming the king.
Hey, don't fight.
Hey, who are you?
I'm a Mandin, a Russian chemist. I came from the land of humans.
So you are a human, right?
Yes.
Then please say for the human who is more important.
For us, each and every one of you is equally important. If one of you is absent, our nature will imbalance. So everyone is important for us.
Is it so?
Yes.
So what should we now?
Leave it for me.
Now what are we going to do?
I will arrange each one of you in an increasing order according to an atomic mass. I have spaced each one of you. This is called a periodic table.
The land of chemistry, you say, but best. Thank you, ma'am.
It's my duty. I'm leaving for now.
So this was the story of land of elements, as Mendel gave us a periodic table, and he is also known as the father of periodic table. Now all the elements were happy with their position.